cleaning video, something that I have not done for a really long time. Like, it's been, I think, almost like 3 months. Yeah, because I haven't cleaned a video in this apartment yet, and I've been here for 3 months. So welcome. Sorry it's taken me so long to do a cleaning motivation video. Yeah, I am hopefully fulfilling all of the people out there who love watching cleaning videos needs in this video. I don't know. I cleaned a little bit yesterday. Was it yesterday? This cleaning video is like over 3 different days. I cleaned the other day, I cleaned this morning, and I'm gonna spend the rest of the afternoon cleaning. So let's just get straight into it, and you can see the things that I've already done, and then I'm gonna keep cleaning. Saturday afternoon, and I am going to start with my living room. So I have some washing that I need to put away, and then also all of my birthday flowers have had their time. They need to go, so I'm going to clean this off, get rid of my flowers, vacuum, all that sort of stuff, and do a bit of a deep clean of the living room. You can see I have a whole lot of wax that's like dripped onto the top of my TV unit, and if I use my hairdryer and a paper towel, I'm pretty sure I can get it all cleaned up, so I'm gonna do that now. That actually worked so well. There's no wax left, and now I'm wondering if I can do it for this, because there's a pretty big chunk of wax on this candle holder. I'm just curious. I don't really care about cleaning the candle holder. I'm just wondering if it worked for the other part, if maybe it'll work for this too. Would you believe I didn't press record while I got the biggest part off, but it is actually working. I think it's a pretty easy way to clean wax-covered items. It's coming off really easily, which is good, because I tried to get this wax off like a couple weeks ago, and the method I was using was not working. So kind of nice to know that I can do it this way and it will actually work. I'm gonna have to clean this off again though now, because the wax is all melted onto that. But small price to pay if I can actually clean up this candle holder, I suppose. I guess I'll make it dirty again, but whatever, we're doing this for fun. It totally worked, which is awesome. I probably could do a bit of a better job cleaning it off, but I kind of really can't be bothered right now, because like I said, that wasn't my intention. I just thought I would give it a go, and it worked really well. Although I did blow some of the dried wax on the floor, so I will have to vacuum that up, but that's okay. So yeah, that worked. Pretty impressed.
Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
Here's another set of my flowers that are a lot sadder than all of the other ones, so I need to clean this one up too. Next up, I'm gonna get in and do the kitchen. I've still gotta get rid of all of my flowers. I need to grab the other 2 bunches out of the bedroom as well, and I need to do the dishes because I have a sink full of dishes. So it's time to do the kitchen. Next up is my entryway. Oh my gosh, my phone is going off. I apologize, that was my watch dinging me to let me know I've been messaged. My entryway needs a bit of work. I have shoes all over the floor, bags all over the floor, and just stuff. This whole thing needs to be really fixed. So yeah, let's do this bit. I've never really showed you guys my entryway because I honestly don't really like it, but I have my jacket hanging up on the wall, and then I have this little basket that I think is from Kmart. I think it's Kmart. It could be Target. I actually don't know which one it is, but it just has all of like my different shoes in it. I have my favorite gumboots. They're the best. I have a little basket that is definitely from Target with my bag in it. I have a little vase that I got from a random home decor thing, a pillar candle from Pottery Barn, I think, a couple books, a candle, a cheetah head bottle opener, like it's an actual bottle opener from H&M, I think. Underneath that, I have this beautiful, I think it's called a ginger jar that I got from a little boutique in my hometown last year. And then up here, I have a pot from Target, my plant, a little gold thing from H&M, this little pot thing from Bed Bath & Table, and my sunglasses. I usually keep my masks in a pile up here, but I actually need to wash them all. And yeah, that's kind of it. And it's not styled the way that I want it. I think it would look really cool with like a big mirror up here or something, but you know, it's something that I can work on later on. It's a work in progress, but this is my entryway. It's neat, it's organized, it does the job. So that's done. I had a caffeinated coffee while I was out for my walk, and oh my gosh, I can feel it. It's crazy when you don't drink coffee or like caffeine, that when you do have it, it just like, it hits you, and I'm just got lots of energy at the moment. These were some of the things that were on the bookshelf. I have this beautiful bottle of champagne and like champagne glasses that my brothers and their girlfriends got me for my birthday. This is from Anna, so I should probably put these things away. And then my friend actually gave me a little belated birthday present today that has like a coloring book, some lollies, a face mask, and a bottle of Shiraz. I love Shiraz, so I do need to put all of these away and actually put them into a proper home as opposed to just sitting on my bookshelf. But I really don't want to get rid of the packaging of this because it's so beautiful and I don't know what to do with it. I'm not even kidding about the coffee thing. I'm just like, I have so much energy. It's insane, and it's kind of cool. I like that majority of the time I drink decaf. I'm also listening to folklore, if you're wondering. So I'm kind of like dancing around while cleaning as well. I'm like in such a great mood today. So we're gonna keep cleaning. And I'm gonna eat some lollies while I'm at it too, because why not?
But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall,
Next, I need to do my desk space. I think someone commented the other day saying that it was really silly that they have this space here and they don't have a PowerPoint. I know, right? I know. It's kind of like the perfect little nook for a desk, but there's no PowerPoint. It honestly makes no sense, but I do have a power board down there that I use when I have to do stuff. My printer doesn't even work and it's got stuff on it and I really should just put it back in the cupboard. I also did an Officeworks order the other day, like a click and collect, went and picked some things up to be a little bit creative with. I got a new visual diary. I also did a Cotton On order and I got this notebook that says all the cool shit I did that no one noticed, which I think is literally perfect for my like completion lists because it just makes sense. So I'm gonna tidy this space up so that I can actually work in it. Also, am I talking really fast? I need to like slow it down, but oh my gosh, the caffeine. This is what happens when you don't have caffeine for a while and then you have some. Living room is already done, so I should probably do my bedroom and actually make my bed because I haven't done that today yet. I got stuff on the floor, should get rid of that. And I also need to get rid of these flowers, and I have a bunch of clothes here because I did a Cotton On order the other day and I got like a new cute bikini. If I'm actually allowed to go to the beach this summer, I don't know, we might be banned from being at the beach. I got some denim shorts as well. I did a Cotton On order, but I actually got that from Supre, the bikini from Supre, the hair scarf that's like right here and in my head is actually from Ruby, so I don't even think I got anything from Cotton On specifically. I'm pretty sure it was Typo, Ruby, and Supre that I actually got everything from. But you can purchase it all on the one website, and then I just have some other clothes and things that need to be put away. So I will do that. Bedroom is done. I mean, my clothing rack needs some work, but if you're wondering why when I put my clothes away I didn't put them into the drawers, because I still don't have anything in my drawers because I haven't organized this yet. It's going to happen this week. I will make a wardrobe organization video, but I did say that this was going to be a very long work in progress, and I meant it. But I did order some new knobs the other day for this, and then some slightly different ones for this, and I'm very excited about that. So hopefully they arrive soon and I can start styling it up a little bit more in here, but don't worry, I haven't given up. I just am very slow. I'm pretty much done with all of the cleaning. I actually cleaned my bathroom sort of like a week ago, so it doesn't really need to be cleaned. I did do another load of washing this morning that I forgot to film, but they're drying. Everything is nice and clean. It feels very fresh in here, so I think I'm just gonna wrap this video up here, especially because I'm not feeling so great. I'm probably gonna avoid any caffeinated drinks for a while because I don't feel great. So anyway, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this cleaning motivation video and that you're happy to see one of these for the first time in a really long time. Up the top, you can check out my last video. Down the bottom, I will leave a link to another one of my videos, and I will see you in the next one.